Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Chooks and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Mikel Arteta don't win Manager of the month of September. I seen win back to back wins. You know, see when we first starts, Baba losing first 3 matches. All of a sudden, the guy just come back, just beat some kind of teams like Burnley. But the major people we beat to make everybody come respect and say, this guy really tried. Now when we beat Tottenham Hotspur for Emirates Stadium, that thing really send a message out to everybody. Say, we don't come back. We'll be here to bust everywhere, scatter anybody. All of a sudden, when we can't play Brighton, we can't draw. If we so knock Brighton also, if we be 4 straight, everybody for the happy. Well, we still manage like that as I still respect them. Say, Baba, you tried. I don't give her the award. So nice one. I'm gonna give it to Silva, one of our legends. Don't come aside. They reveal what to make them Arsenal sets. They very invisible. So Baba can talk say now the mentality we then get that time. Say the way they take the train, they train like say they go for war, like say they go for battle. So sometimes training they tougher than match with them go play. So you remember one time we then a Keon, I been out tell Henry say Henry, come outside, come back this guy. They say Baba, okay na James Lehman. They just Lehman call Henry, Henry the rest. Say, come back this guy for training. Henry say, Baba, what's this up now? It's still early now. Cool down now. He won't finish. It's really funny. Baba come outside. They explain say, then the mentality, everybody the part, everybody na senior man. Nobody now even say na Indomie generation. People don't really they pull leg for tackle. Say then they chook leg for any tackle. That's why their dispensation come different from our own. Iron Ramsdale will be our super keeper. Don't come outside the talk. Say, before he join Arsenal, say now Bukayo Saka na be the best way influence him. Say, remember that time when they did for England setup. If Saka could reason him about Arsenal. If Saka don't hear some kind of things, watch him for training. Saka will come report to Mikel Arteta. Say, see the way the guy they train, the guy good, the guy be like this, the guy be like that. Say before you know, Saka can't be like middleman. That's why they call Saka agent Saka. Say Saka go reason about Arsenal, come go Arsenal, go reason Arsenal about him. Then before you know, they can't sign her. Now waiting this up, it don't be Arsenal first choice goalkeeper. So everything just go well for him. My injury expert that they call Ben Dinnery don't come outside talk say Granit Xhaka go need to undergo surgery if an injury no recover on time because no say that they won't use the natural way, maybe they use natural time, maybe they all live and making it heal naturally. But if they check and scamp and see say the thing no they heal the way they expect, say they go do surgery on the guy. Well, what the watch as it go be now, time will tell. Arsenal they interested in signing Valencia winger which they call Guedes Goncalo. And no be only Arsenal they raising this guy. Even Liverpool self they for the mix because they say the guy they good, the guy they play very well. So that's why Arsenal they raising him because say for January Arsenal self wants more reinforcement. Well, you never know how everything will solve. As they go, not at the end I will let you know as they solve. Of our YouTube channel where they call Oatsin, they come and say talk say one of the people who would like to play with again now be Kieran Tierney. Say remember when 2 of them did for Celtic they play for 2 years and say Kieran Tierney they supply him assists like mad. Think on the Boston. Say in the hope say one day they will rekindle their relationship. Well, not Arsenal supposed to sign this guy, we can't go dollar ourselves. Crystal Palace can't sign her. Last now. They enjoy the fruit of their labor. We'll see the hope say January we will sign more strikers. Surprise, Ballon d'Or list don't come outside and no Arsenal player did there. So everybody they talk, say why Arsenal player no did there, this and that. Well, how many superstars we get when they talk say why Arsenal player no did there? How we want take did there? Who go did there in the future? To be who will get who deserve to did there? We won't call. She not Sakai won't call say deserve to did there. See Miss Molina, you get many years ahead of her. We don't wait, make her reach a peak. We'll see what's in this up. El Neni and Ainsley Maitland-Niles don't come outside they push say as things stand like this if they know they get more game time say by January they won't find their square root. If they use indirect way they keep some cues for social media, they let the hierarchy of the club know say as things be now and January with the scamp if January reach and once say they use us go once guys go find greener pastures. Well, we wish them all the best. There still be surplus to requirements. Andorra Stadium where they want play match today, England versus Andorra. Yesterday the place can't catch fire. Although they talk say go really affect the game they go play there today. It's not just normal small fire now. All those firefighters don't go there use their gadgets quench down the fire. So hopefully the thing no go affect because they see now one small portion and just material damage. Nobody say it affect anything. I know say the field that synthetic pitch. So England sef dem don dey complain say omo get as e be because you will define place wey be say ball go dey move fast for this kind field, ball go dey move faster than the shark. So dem no know how to go solve sha. Well, I wish England all the best of luck, and I wish our Arsenal boys, especially Ramsdale, make if he play today, come cement in first position for that place. I go like watch the match. The match waiting to stop. My monitoring spirit wey they call the Athletic don come outside again. They talk say Instrument Nice don decide say okay, if na to play defense, na him go be say him go dey get playing time. So no yawa say him go play defense for Arsenal. You know say he don tell Kochi before say he no wan play defense again. Say where he wan play now na for the midfield. He wan be midfielder. He wan convert from a defensive player to a midfield player. But because you see that midfield don dey choke, so that place no road there. So you can talk say no yawa na say him gats go back if na the team wey go make am dey play, and e go good at least once you are a deputy for Tomiyasu, no how chance go come, you go play. So na wetin just dey happy for me. This why I hear that news omo, I just dey happy say that's good. At least we don get two capable people wey fit play for that right back. At least if Tomiyasu no dey, Niles go play. We no want all those Cedric Suarez and Callum Chambers again. Omo, the 20 EPL clubs excluding Newcastle don come outside dey protest for the takeover wey happen for Newcastle. You know say a Saudi-based consortium wey comprise of like 4 different companies don take over Newcastle, and this consortium, their worth na like 320 billion pounds. So the rest 19 clubs dey fear say if this kind of people take over this club, na im be say they'll come take money burst everywhere. Before you know, they'll go buy Messi, buy Ronaldo, buy Neymar, buy Mbappe, put all of them for one team. Because if you check the rest 19 clubs, their worth, you know, it will reach 50 billion. But you see this Newcastle owner now, their worth is above 320 billion. That is why they are scared. If you think say Sheikh Mansour waiting for Man City, they spend money. If you think say Abramovich waiting for Chelsea, they spend money. You see this Saudi-based consortium, they never start. That's why the rest 19 clubs come dey fear. Come talk say they won't do meeting. Say they won't even reason EPL administration. Say wetin make una accept this week make they come take over this club. And she know una talk say this deal don die before. Wetin come happen? We resurrect the deal. You know, a lot of talking points dey behind this deal. So they won't know wetin sup. But the sad part be say there is nothing wey they fit do again. We fit scatter this deal. The deal don come to stay. So we no get choice. We gats dey with them. But everybody just dey fear say this people go use money scatter everywhere. Well, everything na full time now. Money, if they say money they buy title, you see PSG, they will rule the whole world. See now we see they even get Messi, Mbappe, and Neymar. They still struggle. So no be by money. Now they're getting a team. We know they filled with just individual stars. Team we get cohesion. Team we play together. We love each other. Now we go take una to the glory days. Make una dey more successful. So that's where everything just be. So my dear football lovers, now here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thanks for always supporting us. God bless you.